Can you guess which Hungarian prefixes you will hear every single day? Be, ki, le, fel, meg, el, át, rá, ide, oda, szét, össze, vissza. Why do Hungarians use verbal prefixes? To emphasize the direction and action in space. For example, bemegy, to go in. Kimegy, to go out. Or to emphasize the direction and action in time. For example, megnyer, have won. The person has finished or completed an action or has arrived to a certain end point. What does each verbal prefix mean? Hungarian verbal prefixes can sometimes work similarly to English phrasal verbs, verbs with prepositions. So you may hear go in, bemegy, sit down, leül. But they aren't always literal translations. For example, felad can mean to give up, or to post something, or to send something in Hungarian. Be, in. Bemenni, to go in. Ki, out. Kimenni, to go out. Le, down. Lemenni, to go down. Fel is up. Felmenni, to go up. Meg, megnyerni, to win. El, away. Elmenni, to go away or to leave. Át, across. Átmenni, to go across. Rá, onto or on. Rátenni, to put on. Ide, to here. Idejönni, to come here. Oda, to there. Odafutni or odaszaladni, to run there, to run over there. Szét, apart. Széttépni, to tear apart. Össze, together. Összeönt, to pour things together. Vissza, back. Visszamenni, to go back. Want to learn more? Check out the related video. See you there.